For this cycle, you're going to be working on an elbow strike. My board holder is going to hold the board at a horizontal angle, meaning that the line goes across parallel to the floor. If I'm using my right elbow, I want to make sure that I use the edge of my elbow on the flat section, not the point. So again, I'm going to be turning my arm over. From here, I'm going to line up in the board and in front stance. The last 2 inches of my elbow will hit the last couple inches of the board. Parents, make sure you're holding at the edge of that board, that way your child has maximum security as they break. Similar to throwing a ball or swinging a bat, I will twist my hips and go through the target, all together, looking like that for an elbow strike board break. For this board break option, we're going to be working with a side kick. Your holder is going to hold the board horizontally to make sure that the line of the board is parallel to the ground. Parents, make sure you hold in the middle of the board for your students for maximum pressure. From here, I'm going to turn my body. There are 2 ways that I can measure up the board. The first is to put my feet together and stretch my arm out. This is a good estimate of how far away I should be from the board. If you want to be more detailed, you're also welcome to take your leg up until your ankle passes through the board, then put your feet together and step back. From here, I'm going to step together from my middle stance, knees still bent. As I chamber my leg away from the board, I'm going to pivot my hip, using my heel to kick the board and to go through it. All together for a side kick board break.